Hi everyone, my name's Angela with Slide Nest. Today I'm going to show you how to hide slides in PowerPoint. While I go through this, if you're interested in this exact PowerPoint presentation, go to slidenest.com and you can download it for free. Hiding slides in PowerPoint can be pretty important sometimes because maybe you have a full presentation but you only want to give a snippet of it. Or maybe you made a really long presentation and you thought, what would it look like if it was just a little bit shorter? And hiding slides to see what it's going to look like can be really helpful in that case. Hiding slides is very simple. When you have the slides that are already created that you want to hide, first click on the slide that you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide slide number 3. To get started, I'm going to make the left-hand pane a little bigger so it's easier to see. Now let's say I want to hide the first slide and the third slide. All you need to do is right-click on the slide in the left-hand pane and then click Hide Slide. Now you're not going to see it disappear from the left-hand pane, but you are going to see it go a little bit transparent so that it's letting you know you're not going to see it. You can also tell because there is a line through number 1, which is your slide number, because it is telling you it will be hidden during the presentation. I'm going to also hide slide number 3. So I'm going to come down here and click on it. Then I will right-click, click Hide Slide, and now you see the line through it and that it became transparent. So what does this mean? This means because I hid the first slide and the third slide, that in my presentation, it will start on slide number 2, and then when I advance, it's going to go to slide number 4. To demonstrate, at the top, I'm going to click on the Slideshow tab. Then I'm going to click From Beginning. Normally, this takes you to slide number 1. Because I hit slide number 1, when I click on it, it goes to my slide number 2. And when I advance my slide, it shows slide number 4 because I hid the first slide and the third slide. Now, if ever you want to show your slide again, right-click on the slide, click Hide Slide, and it is going to then bring it back. So you can tell there's no line through it anymore and it's not transparent. I'm going to do the same thing to slide number 1. And now all my slides will be back in my slideshow. So when I click From Beginning, it shows slide number 1, slide number 2, and then my slide number 3 is back. Really simple way to hide slides in PowerPoint. And if you're interested in this exact PowerPoint presentation, go to slidenest.com.